Parts of body name. Head, head. Here, here. Eye, eye. Eyebrow, eyebrow. Nose, nose. Lip, lip. Teeth, teeth. Eyelashes, eyelashes. Chin, chin. Cheek, cheek. Ear, ear. Tongue, tongue. Neck, neck. Chest, chest. Shoulder, shoulder. Elbow, elbow. Hand, hand. Fingers, fingers. Thumb, thumb. Arm, arm. Knee, knee. Thigh, thigh. Leg, leg. Foot, foot. Two, two. Stomach, stomach. Now I repeat once again. Head, ear, eye, nose, lip, teeth, chin, ear, cheek, tongue, neck, chest, shoulder, elbow, hand, fingers, thumb, knee, thigh, leg, foot, two, stomach,